I'm going to share the top 3 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2026. If you pick one and start creating consistently, these will rank. If you're serious about faceless YouTube creation, you can join my community where I share every new niche, help with channel optimization, and you can chat directly with me or our team. You can also get discounts on pre-monetized YouTube accounts. There's a 7-day free trial available. First, AI news and weekly updates. Channels like AI Revolution, AI Uncovered, and AI Explained are crushing it. They simply convert every new article or blog about AI into a video. It could be about an update like a new feature in ChatGPT, a new AI model like Google's latest release, or just AI announcements like new versions of tools. Let's talk about video creation. You need to keep an eye on any new announcements. Don't rely on news articles. Go and read the official articles on the official websites. For writing scripts, the best way is to do your own research and write it yourself. The easier way? Copy the article and paste it into Claude AI. Ask Claude AI to write the script about this update. Claude AI is better than ChatGPT for writing scripts. Then use the images, videos, and clips from the article. Use screenshots or screen recordings of the website. Also show the actual results of the tools. Simple and basic editing works perfectly here. For earnings, AI and technology have one of the highest RPMs on YouTube. You'll get tons of sponsorships from AI companies. Plus, you can make money from affiliate programs. Final tips for this niche. Number 1. This is one of the hardest niches in this video. If you're a beginner, don't start here. Number 2. It has a lot of competition, so you'll have to do something unique, like using memes and humor to stand out. Number 3. You'll have to stay active. If a new AI tool just gets released, you have to create videos before your competitors do. Second niche, luxury lifestyle or luxury products. The luxury niche has one of the highest RPMs on YouTube, but it's also very expensive to create luxury videos. But with AI, you can do it from your laptop. You can create videos of supercars, private jets, billionaire homes, exotic destinations, or you can show things that don't even exist yet, like a Rolls-Royce from 2030 generated by AI, or any future luxury concept. Just ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt. Then go to OpenArt, where you can use all the top AI models. Use them to create some of the best AI videos. 11 Labs is also available in OpenArt for voiceovers. Use luxury fonts and music. The earning will be from AdSense, and you'll need to buy subscriptions to use AI image and video generators. Third niche, AI storytelling or fiction stories. You can create Reddit stories, real-life stories, horror stories, creepy stories. You can choose any type. You can create relaxing stories for sleep, or even boring science content to help people sleep. You can also create business and marketing breakdown channels, showing things like how Netflix makes money, or how Coca-Cola became what it is today. To create this, give your idea to Claude AI and ask it to write the story. Then ask it to give you prompts to generate images or videos. Use any AI tool to generate images and voiceovers. You can create a slideshow video where only the images are changing, or you can convert those images into video for a more dynamic feel. The earning will be from AdSense. The RPM isn't as high as AI and luxury niches, but the views and watch duration are way higher. You can get 10 times more views than any other niche. Want to chat with me? Join my membership. If you're just starting out, get a pre-monetized channel.